Hi, it's Janine here at Grow Strong with Kaya, our Tower Garden mascot. She's hanging out checking out the Tower Garden. It's been in the greenhouse because we had an early snow, a couple days of it, and we've decided to keep the greenhouse in place because it's still getting pretty cool at night. And we found that because of this, we're actually getting a lot of new blossoms and new fruit production that we thought we'd probably be done and just harvesting whatever fruit was left, but in fact, we're actually getting new fruit, new blossoms, brand new itty bitty, teeny tiny peppers coming in, and all sorts of new things going on. So we're super excited. The way the greenhouse works is it's just straight over the tower. We've removed 4 of the bottom bars to put it over. We could take it off and on during warmer weather like this, but what we're finding is if we just keep it opened, this greenhouse is designed that it has little flaps that you can flip up to give some ventilation down at the bottom. Don't laugh, those are little blue ice packs that I taped together to give a little bit of a rise to the front. You might see we have some thermal insulation on the front of the tower, but all around it's got ventilation. The door's open for ventilation. Heater's absolutely not on. And down in here we have a very small fan that we aim upwards, and that fan is circulating air throughout here. So here's what's happening. The cucumbers that we thought might never survive because they were a really badly shocked transplant from soil seedlings that we did on June 19th, and then they got really hot. We thought they were done. Well, they're not. We've got more cucumbers, more cucumbers. There's lots and lots of new growth. We're finding pollinators in here every day. And so we've got, I can't show them to you because some are in the back, but we've got new cucumbers coming in that have literally just started. So we're in it for a while. We were really excited. We're growing these hope sunflowers. That's what we call them. They're actually, the true name is dwarf sunspot sunflowers. They're little minis, so they're small enough to grow in a tower garden, and Paul and I love them. They're our favorite flowers to share with each other, and we see them as a sign of hope. We were concerned because our 2 biggest were really, really tall, and one was absolutely all the way to the top of the greenhouse. If you look, you can see, here's its stem here. It's pretty big in that port. We were very blessed. It survived the snow, and we found a way to kind of prop the greenhouse up a little taller by putting our sandbags under the legs rather than just beside the legs. The sandbags are what are holding this whole greenhouse in place of not blowing away. But we're now also using them not only for stability, but for lift. So that's why that sunflower was able to have enough room to ripen up there. This one will be next, but it's not quite ready, and today's really, really beautiful out. And since this one is not on a back port, but is on a front port, I was able to just gently guide it out in front of the door. So I'll just step back to give you a perspective. I've got that dwarf sunspot at the top, and as you head down, you can see lots of peppers and dwarf marigolds. Did I mention lots of peppers? Oh my gosh, we have so many peppers. The cucumbers that we thought might never survive because they were really badly shocked transplants from soil seedlings, and we didn't start until June 19th, and they almost died so many times. We couldn't possibly have been more wrong. We will probably have cucumbers until December. We really thought that the tower would just extend produce that we have on it, but this year we're really dialing in the use of it to the point that we've got it so that we're actually generating new blossoms, brand new baby peppers, fresh new tiny, there's a little tiny jalapeno here somewhere, one even tinier, there we go, little tiny. So there's new things coming in. It's not just that we're saving the last of our harvest, we are continuing the production of new blossoms and new fruit. So we're going to be in it for as long as we can. We are super excited. The way that we're managing it so that we don't have to take it back off is just keeping it propped up like this. We keep it open and ventilated in the day. We keep it closed at night. At night, we do still leave that fan, which gives us ventilation, on low so that it's not just closed up with getting moldy and musty in there. We close the vents down at night and we close the door. If it's going to go down into freezing temps, then we use the heater. So we don't try to let it get anywhere below, maybe like 60 or high 50s, because as I said, the first time we used it, we just wanted to save whatever produce and fruit and vegetables were left on the tower. This time we've realized we can do so much more than that. We can actually extend our growing season with brand new blossoms coming in. New peppers. Somewhere back there. Oh, we got a tomato. So we're getting new ones on just about everything. And edible marigolds just for prettiness and because they're awesome. Our flat leaf parsley and our rosemary. And there's a basil in there somewhere. Still going strong. And look, more sunflowers to come here. So, we just gave away a huge bag of peppers, a bunch of jalapenos, some Mexibels, I think a cucumber, poblano. Gave away a lot of produce. Currently, Soul Doggy, come here, babe. Come here. Usually our green bean eating doggy loves these purple beans. She had tooth surgery recently, and we're finding she's trying them, but then, oh wait, is she going to eat it today? Nope. So here's what we're going to do, kiddo. Can you sit for mommy? Go ahead, sit down. Sit down. Good girl. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take that beautiful purple bean and all the others that are back in here. Mommy's going to pick them, and we're going to cook them so they're soft for you. Because, boy, it's much harder to chew when somebody takes one of your molars out, isn't it? Did they take your tooth out? Is that what Dr. Amy did? Did she take your tooth out? She loves beans. Admittedly, during the time she was recovering, these got a little on the big and tough side. She really likes them when they're smaller and more tender. And also, she likes them a lot more when she didn't just have dental surgery. So we'll see how it goes. But, Kaya, you are such a good garden mascot. Do you want to go inside and get salad? Yeah, let's go get salad. Come on, let's go. Let's go get salad. The salad greens are on the inside tower. We got to go in. Let's go. Oh, she went to find the bean. Don't leave the bean, Mommy. I'll get it, I promise. All right. Clearly she wants the bean. She's just not sure how to eat it yet. So we're going to cook this up for you, okay? Along with all the others. Happy gardening from Kaya and from Janine. I'm going to skip the selfie today. I just don't want to work that hard. But here we are at Grow Strong with Tower Garden Vertical Aeroponic Gardening. Love and life here in Louisville. Who says you can't say life is good even when, oh my God, is the world crazy right now? But how bad can it be when we've got the ability to grow our own gorgeous, beautiful, luxurious, nourishing, nutrient-dense food in such a fun and sustainable way. We hope you'll join us. Tower gardening is awesome. Even the dog thinks so, right, Kaya? Okay, let's go inside. Let's get salad. Come on, let's go. Go inside. Let's go get salad. See ya. Bye.